first exam done. Hey guys, it's Anna, and for today's video I am going to be doing an eyebuydirect unboxing. At last. For those of y'all that don't know, yes, I wear glasses. Surprise, surprise. I am nowhere near sponsored to make this video by eyebuydirect, but I am an eyebuydirect ambassador, which is super cool, which means I do have a coupon code for y'all to use, and all you have to do is just click on the link in my description to bring you to the website, and just put that code when you're checking out, and you'll be good and you get 20% off. But more information will come at the end of this video, so make sure to watch this entire video. Basically, eyebuydirect primarily sells prescription glasses from anywhere from $9 to $99, which even at $99, that is an amazing price, because for those of you guys that go to your optometrist, you know how expensive glasses can be. They're literally at least $150 plus the lenses, which are like another $40. So this is a super affordable website. I got you. eyebuydirect also sells clear glasses for those of you guys that just want to be stylish and dress up your outfit with some glasses, and they also sell prescription and normal sunglasses. So for those of y'all that don't wear glasses at all, I got you. So let's just actually get to the unboxing part, because I'm pretty sure that that's what most of y'all came here for. So yeah, this is basically the box that this package came in, and it's just like a basic mailbox situation. It just got little stickers on each end to show you that it is from eyebuydirect when you open up your mailbox. Basically, when you open it up, you see first this, the side of the box, which just says "See the Possibilities," which is a great pun. And it's just this really cute aesthetic brown box that just says eyebuydirect on it, and it's just got the little tab where you can pull out the box. In there you've got your glasses. Your glasses are just in a little pouch that doubles as a cleansing cloth, or a cleaning cloth, which is really cool. Under that you've just got a little pamphlet. Inside the pamphlet you just got ways that you can adjust your glasses or clean your glasses. They've also got a great warranty. Their 365-day product guarantee entitles you to a one-time replacement pair within 12 months if any defects are found in materials and or workmanship. Finally, getting into the glasses, I'm sure y'all have been waiting for this. Sorry it took so long. Opening it up, I got the Bordeaux in ivory. I just thought this was kind of fun and very fashion editor. It's just a black and white tortoise pattern. Super cute, and this is basically how it looks on me. Keep in mind that everyone's face shape is different, and sorry for the glare. And I think I have more of a squarish, slightly round face. And what's really great is on the website you can have a little try on, take a picture of yourself, and then you can try on the glasses virtually, which is really cool, and it's actually quite accurate. So if you are interested in purchasing from eyebuydirect, which you better, make sure to just click the link in my description to bring you to the website, and then just insert this code right here, which will also be listed in the description box, into the coupon code section when you check out, and you will get 20% off. Or you can use this other code to get $10 off. So you can choose between two different coupon codes. The choice is yours. I'm gonna just take this off because it's pretty glary, so yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed watching today's video and this little glasses unboxing. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. And all you four-eyed fellas, go out or go online and buy yourself a new pair of glasses. Just treat yourself for a really small amount of money. Ciao!